Have you ever noticed that the pressure of water coming from your tap is very low? Well, here is why. I'm going to show you in this particular video. Hey there, my name is Abby of Southeast. So today we're going to be meeting an expert who is going to be showing us a particular plumbing material tool that helps the pressure of your water. So if you notice that the pressure of your water is very slow, it's because this particular tool is not installed in your house. So stay tuned and watch this video as we meet the expert. Come with me. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
So there's a particular tool that you showed me, a particular plumbing material tool you showed me that helps to increase the pressure of water, because in that particular house you went to install that tool, we noticed that the water was not rushing very fast. But after you installed it, it started rushing very well. What's the name of that tool and how does it work?
Okay. Good afternoon. You have pressure control.
Okay, the name is pressure control.
Pressure control. This work of the pressure control, you can use this pressure control if you are running low water in your house. If your water is not much pressure, you can use this pressure control to connect with the pumping machine.
Okay.
So you can have enough water in your house.
Pressure. Okay.
Pressure in your house.
Okay.
Very pressure. When it tightens from this place, from this pumping machine, you can board the pumping machine. This is pumping machine.
Okay, but we're not seeing it there. So
okay. This is pumping machine. This is pressure control.
Okay. So you connect it together.
You connect it together like this.
Okay. Okay.
When you connect it like this now, this one is for power. You can put this one from the building, light. You can join this one together.
Okay.
So you can connect inlet and outlet from the building.
So that whenever you on the tap,
yes,
the thing will peak immediately.
If you on tap from the building, this thing will peak. If you off it, the tap inside the building, this thing will off.
Okay.
That's the work of pressure control.
Okay. So if your shower is always coming small, it's because there's no pressure control.
Yes.
So once you on the shower, the pressure control comes on automatically.
Yes.
And the shower starts gushing very fast.
Yes.
But once you turn off the shower, the pressure control goes off too. This is a very important tool that I just discovered and I decided to share with you in this video. So I hope you got value from this video you just watched. My name is Abby of Southeast, and of course I bring you the very best of real estate right here in Southeast Nigeria, and I hope you got something from this particular video. So when next you notice that you don't have enough pressure in your house, you know what to do now. You don't have pressure control. So make sure you call the plumber on the phone or call the numbers you can see on your screen, and I will direct you to where to get good pressure control. See you in my next video. Bye.